Professor Dave again. Let's compare subjunctive with the infinitive.
He knows a lot about all kinds of stuff. Professor Dave explains.
So we've learned quite a bit about the subjunctive mood at this point, with 2 tenses and plenty of examples with conjunctions. So now we want to learn more about how to decide when to use subjunctive and when to use the infinitive. The key difference here will have to do with the subjects of the 2 clauses. We saw that when the subject of the main clause was different from the subject in the dependent clause, we would use the subjunctive. This would be something like, I wish that you would learn Italian. But what about sentences where the subject is the same in both clauses? This would be something like, I wish that I would learn Italian. In this latter case, we will not use the subjunctive, but rather the infinitive. Some verbs already have a preferred construction with the infinitive without a preposition when the 2 subjects are the same. These are verbs like volere, preferire, and desiderare. Io preferisco andare in montagna. Loro desiderano fermarsi e riposare. But now the list of verbs that will use the infinitive will get much longer when we add other verbs of emotion and opinion when they are involved in sentences with a dependent clause that has the same subject as the main clause. Let's go over some examples of pairs of sentences where the only thing that changes from the first to the next is the subject of the dependent clause. In each first example, because it is different from the main subject, the subjunctive is used. And in each second example, because the subjects are the same, the infinitive is used. Lei spera che voi arriviate in tempo. Lei spera di arrivare in tempo. Noi abbiamo paura che voi non ci riusciate. Noi abbiamo paura di non riuscirci. Tu sei contento che io vada in Italia. Tu sei contento di andare in Italia. Loro credono che tu sia intelligente. Loro credono di essere intelligenti. So as we can see, when the 2 subjects coincide, Italian will use a simple construction of di plus the infinitive. Now let's try some more. In this first blank, we can use che or di. And in the second blank, we can either include the second different subject or omit it, along with the correct form of the verb, to construct a sentence. For example, we have a main subject of la mamma. We can make a sentence with the second subject, Carlo, or we can make one where the subject does not change, and we will see the subjunctive change to the infinitive. La mamma spera che Carlo vada in palestra domani. La mamma spera di andare in palestra domani. Now try this one on your own. Include the second subject and use the subjunctive, and then take it away and use the infinitive. Il professore vuole che gli studenti finiscano il capitolo oggi. Il professore vuole finire il capitolo oggi. Now that we are clear on the usage of subjunctive versus the infinitive, let's check comprehension. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.